cheers from mixed jam. What is brandy? How was it invented? How can we have it? Let's see it in detail. Distillation is the process of separating the components or substances from a liquid mixture by using selective boiling and condensation. The distillation process purifies the liquid and removes diluting components like water, for the purpose of increasing its proportion of alcohol content. Initially, wine was distilled as a preservation method and as a way to make it easier for merchants to transport. The intent was to add the water removed by distillation back to the wine shortly before consumption. It was transported in wooden casks. Surprisingly, it was discovered that after having been stored in wooden casks, the resulting product had improved over the original distilled spirit. The distillation process led to the formation and decomposition of numerous aromatic compounds, altering the composition of the distillate from its source. As a result, the taste of the distillate was often quite unlike that of the original source. People called this brandy wine, which was derived from the Dutch word brandewijn, which literally means burned wine. This brandy wine became shortened and came to know as brandy. After distillation, the unaged brandy is placed into oak barrels to mature. After a period of aging, the mature brandy is mixed with distilled water to reduce alcohol concentration and bottled. As most brandies have been distilled from grapes, the regions of the world producing excellent brandies are those areas producing the best grapes or best wine. Brandy has a traditional age grading system. These indicators can usually be found on the label near the brand name. VS, very special, or 3 stars, designates a blend in which the brandy has been stored for at least 2 years. VSOP, very superior old pale, reserve, or 5 stars, designates a blend in which the brandy is stored for at least 4 years. XO, extra old, or Napoleon designates a blend in which the brandy is stored for at least 6 years. McDowell's No. 1 tops the list of best brandy in India. Launched in the 1960s. It has a high aroma and unmatched taste, making it a highly popular and has a market share of about 51% in India.